Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're heading to Malaysia, a country bursting with diversity, flavor and adventure. From bustling cities to ancient rainforests, Malaysia truly has it all. We'll explore vibrant markets, indulge in street food, and dive into the rich culture that makes this country unique. From the iconic Petronas Twin Towers to the serene tea plantations of the Highlands, there's so much to discover. So buckle up and let's get started! We've landed in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's energetic capital, where old meets new at every corner. Skyscrapers tower beside historic temples, and the legendary street food scene is a feast for the senses. KL is a true melting pot. Malay, Chinese, Indian and indigenous cultures blend into something special. With fantastic public transport, exploring the city's vibrant neighborhoods is a breeze. Let's hit the streets and see what treasures KL has in store. No trip to Kuala Lumpur is truly complete without witnessing the awe-inspiring Petronas Twin Towers. These iconic skyscrapers are not just the centerpiece of the city's skyline, they're a symbol of Malaysia's bold vision and ambition. Whether you see them gleaming in the sunlight or sparkling against the night sky, the towers command attention from every angle. Their unique design, inspired by Islamic art and geometry, makes them instantly recognizable and a must-see for anyone visiting the city. Standing at their base, you can't help but be awed by their sheer size and elegance. The towers soar 452 meters into the sky, and as you crane your neck to take in their full height, you realize just how small you are in comparison. The stainless steel and glass facade shimmers in the sunlight, reflecting the energy and dynamism of Kuala Lumpur itself. Crowds of visitors gather here every day, all eager to capture that perfect photo and to marvel at the architectural wonder towering above them. We managed to score tickets to the famous Sky Bridge, which connects the two towers at the 41st and 42nd floors. The anticipation builds as you ride the high-speed elevator up, and when the doors open, you're greeted with sweeping, panoramic views of Kuala Lumpur. From up here, the city stretches out in every direction. Modern skyscrapers, bustling streets, and lush parks all coming together in a vibrant tapestry. It's a perspective that truly takes your breath away and gives you a new appreciation for the city's scale and beauty. Walking across the Sky Bridge, suspended 170 meters above the ground, is both exhilarating and surreal. The glass and steel beneath your feet remind you just how high up you are, and the city buzzes far below. It's a unique experience, part thrill, part wonder, as you take in the sights and snap photos from this incredible vantage point. The Sky Bridge isn't just an architectural marvel, it's a place where you can pause and reflect on the ingenuity and creativity that made these towers possible. The Petronas Twin Towers stand as a proud symbol of Malaysia's ambition and progress. Completed in 1998, they were once the tallest buildings in the world, and they continue to inspire with their bold design and engineering. The towers represent the country's journey toward modernity, blending tradition with innovation. Their presence on the skyline is a constant reminder of what Malaysia has achieved and the heights it continues to reach for. After soaking in the incredible views from above, we made our way to KLCC Park, a lush green oasis right at the tower's feet. The park is beautifully landscaped, with winding paths, tranquil lakes, and plenty of shady spots to relax. It's the perfect place to unwind after the excitement of the towers, and to enjoy a picnic or simply watch the world go by. Families, joggers and tourists all gather here, creating a lively yet peaceful atmosphere in the heart of the city. It's amazing how this bustling metropolis offers such tranquil spaces. KLCC Park is a testament to Kuala Lumpur's commitment to balancing urban development with green open areas. Here you can listen to the gentle sound of fountains, watch children play, or simply sit and admire the stunning view of the towers rising above the trees. It's a reminder that even in the heart of a busy city, there's always room for a moment of peace and reflection. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to twinkle, the Petronas Twin Towers take on a magical glow, standing tall as the ultimate symbol of modern Malaysia. Their presence is both inspiring and unforgettable, a true testament to the spirit, ambition, and creativity of this incredible country. Just outside KL, the Batu Caves offer a completely different experience. Greeted by a towering golden statue of Lord Murugan, you climb 272 steps to reach the mystical limestone caves. Along the way, playful macaques keep you company. Hold on to your snacks. Inside, colorful shrines and statues create a magical, spiritual atmosphere. Sunlight streams through the cave ceiling, illuminating devotees deep in prayer. It's a humbling reminder of Malaysia's rich spiritual heritage. Next stop, Penang, a food lover's paradise. The island's street food is a mouth-watering fusion of Malay, Chinese and Indian flavors. At Gurney Drive Hawker Centre, the aroma of spices and sizzling dishes fills the air. We tried asam laksa, a tangy spicy noodle soup, and the iconic char kway teow, smoky stir-fried noodles. Every bite was an explosion of flavor. Penang's food scene is simply unforgettable. Georgetown, the vibrant capital of Penang, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a living testament to Malaysia's rich and diverse history. Nestled on the island's northeastern tip, this city is a fascinating blend of old-world charm and modern creativity, where every street corner tells a story. Walking through Georgetown, you're immediately struck by its vibrant mix of cultures and architecture. Colonial-era buildings stand side by side with ornate Chinese shophouses, Hindu temples and mosques, reflecting centuries of multicultural influence. The streets are alive with the sights, sounds and aromas of Indian, Malay and Chinese communities, all coexisting in harmony. But what truly sets Georgetown apart is its incredible street art scene. Over the past decade, the city has become a canvas for artists from around the world. Colorful murals and quirky installations bring the city to life, transforming ordinary walls into extraordinary works of art that invite you to pause, admire, and reflect. We wandered through hidden alleys and narrow lanes, discovering playful works like the famous Children on a Bicycle mural, which has become an iconic symbol of Georgetown. Each mural tells its own story, often inspired by local life, history, and humor, making every discovery feel personal and unique. Adding to the city's charm are whimsical sculptures and iron caricatures that line the streets. These clever installations capture the spirit of Georgetown's people and their everyday stories, offering both locals and visitors a chance to connect with the city's playful side. Exploring Georgetown feels like stepping into a giant open-air art gallery, where creativity knows no bounds. Every turn reveals something new, an unexpected mural, a hidden sculpture, or a lively street performance, making each visit a unique adventure. In Georgetown, history and creativity collide in the most beautiful way, creating a city that honors its past while embracing the future. It's a place where art truly meets history, and every moment is a celebration of culture, color, and community. Time to unwind in Langkawi, an archipelago of 99 islands with pristine beaches and lush rainforests. We snorkeled at Pulau Paya Marine Park, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs and colorful marine life. The Langkawi cable car took us to the summit of Gunung Machincang for breathtaking island views. Adventurers can trek through rainforests or kayak through mangroves. We hiked to the stunning Seven Wells waterfall, a rewarding trek with an incredible view. Langkawi is pure paradise. Escape to the cool, misty Cameron Highlands, famous for its rolling tea plantations. At the Bo Tea Plantation, we learned how tea is made and enjoyed a fresh cup overlooking Emerald Hills. The crisp air and scenic views make it the perfect spot to relax. We also visited a strawberry farm to pick our own juicy berries. The region's fresh produce and tranquil vibe are a refreshing change. Cameron Highlands is Malaysia's green retreat. Step back in time in Malacca, a UNESCO World Heritage City shaped by centuries of trade and colonization. We explored the iconic red statues and its fascinating history museum. Yonka Walk buzzes with antique shops, art and local delicacies. The ruins of St. Paul's Church atop the hill offer stunning city and sea views. Malacca's blend of cultures and stories is truly captivating. It's a living museum of Malaysia's past. Ready for adventure? We journeyed into Borneo's ancient rainforests, home to incredible wildlife and lush landscapes. At Sepilok Orangutan Rehabilitation Centre, we watched rescued orangutans swing through the trees. Trekking in Danam Valley, we spotted pygmy elephants, rare birds and towering trees. The Gomantong Caves, with millions of bats swirling at dusk, was a true spectacle. Borneo's wild beauty is unforgettable. It's a nature lover's dream. Our next adventure brings us to the majestic Mount Kinabalu, the crown jewel of Sabah and the highest peak in all of Southeast Asia. Rising dramatically above the clouds, this mountain has long been a symbol of challenge and inspiration for adventurers from around the world. Its rugged silhouette dominates the landscape, promising both beauty and a test of endurance to those who dare to climb it. The journey to the summit is a 2-day trek that winds through lush, ancient rainforests teeming with unique flora and fauna. As you ascend, the air grows cooler and the terrain shifts from dense jungle to steep rocky slopes. Each step forward reveals new sights: towering trees draped in moss, rare orchids clinging to the rocks, and the distant calls of mountain birds echoing through the mist. The climb is undeniably tough, demanding both physical stamina and mental determination. But as dawn breaks and you reach the summit plateau, you're rewarded with a breathtaking spectacle: the sun rising above a sea of clouds, painting the sky in hues of gold and pink. In that moment, every ache and challenge fades away, replaced by pure wonder. Standing at the very top, with the world stretching out beneath your feet, you're filled with a profound sense of accomplishment and awe. The camaraderie among fellow climbers, the shared triumph, and the sheer scale of nature's beauty create memories that last a lifetime. Mount Kinabalu is more than just a mountain. It's a testament to Malaysia's incredible natural wonders and the spirit of adventure that lives within us all. Its panoramic vistas and rich biodiversity make it a true treasure of the region. As we made our way back down the mountain, a deep sense of gratitude washed over us. The journey had tested our limits, but it also gifted us with unforgettable experiences and a newfound respect for the wild beauty of Sabah. Malaysia's landscapes, its vibrant spirit, and the warmth of its people leave a lasting impression, one that calls us to return and explore even more of this extraordinary land. Oh yes, I almost forgot again! I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. You will find everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance, plus lots more travel bargains. I hope you find them useful. And that's a wrap on our Malaysian adventure. This country's beauty, warmth, and incredible food have truly captured my heart. If you're seeking a destination with culture, nature, and flavor, Malaysia has it all. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite part in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring.